What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Tiffany, and I'm back again with another video. And this video is gonna be showing y'all, how I do my thumbnails and upload them to YouTube. So yeah, this is the video that I just uploaded, and it already got 4 views. Anyway, so the app that I use to do my thumbnail is Phonto. And the first thing you want to do, you want to go to plain image, because you want to make it the size to fit on YouTube. So the width that it's going to be is 1280 and the height is 720. That's the width and the height that you need to make a thumbnail, because otherwise it'll be too big. So once you got that plain image, then you're going to upload your image on top of this plain image and basically make it the same size, so you'll know for sure that it's the size that's going to fit on YouTube. So yeah, I'm going to pick a picture. Y'all, I got pictures in my phone for days. Alright, this looks thumbnailish, and I'm gonna make the size of that picture the same size of the plain image that we did. You see? Now you can start writing on your picture. You can put whatever you want. So this was a little get ready with me. But this video, it was like real short, real pointless. So I mean, I just uploaded it anyway. Hopefully you guys watch it. So after this video, yeah, make sure you go watch that video so that you'll see what I did to get ready with me. So yeah, you can make your text however big or small you want it. And right now I'm just doing like the outline of the words. I'm making them pink, to match my shirt. This really could have been it, but I don't know. I decided to put more stuff. I ain't going nowhere though. That's what the video about. So yeah, on your thumbnail, you want to make sure it's eye-catching, and you want to make sure that when the people click on the video or whatever, that they're getting what the thumbnail said. The video is going to be what the thumbnail is about. So that's why you just want to make your thumbnail catchy as possible. This one, I just threw it together. It looks catchy to me. It's cute to me. If I see it, I'll click on it. But yeah, I'm just once again making my words pop. And that's basically it. So you match save, and then I use the app YouTube Studios. I go there, I go on a video that I just uploaded, go to edit, edit my thumbnail, upload the thumbnail that we just did, and then bada boom, bada bam, bam, it's ready for view. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Comment what other videos you want me to make. Comment if this was a good video. Comment if you've seen the video for the thumbnail that we're making.